Samsung Galaxy M21 specifications tipped through Geekbench listing. Samsung Galaxy M21, which is believed to be the successor to the Galaxy M20, has surfaced on benchmark site Geekbench with key specifications. The benchmark listing comes weeks after the Galaxy M21 was tipped with 64GB and 128GB storage options. The new Galaxy M series phone is rumored to come in multiple color options and run Android 10 out of the box. If we look at the rumor mill, Samsung has the Galaxy M11 and Galaxy M31 as the two new Galaxy M series models alongside the Galaxy M21. The Geekbench site shows the Samsung phone carrying model number m21F. This appears to be the Samsung Galaxy M21 that would succeed the Galaxy M20 in the coming future. The online listing includes some key specifications in addition to the early benchmark scores. Samsung Galaxy M21 specifications rumored. If we look at the details available on the listing, the Samsung Galaxy M21 would run Android 10 and come with the Exynos 9611 SoC, coupled with 4GB of RAM. The Exynos chip is also found to have 1.74 GHz of clock speed. Moreover, we saw the same processing chip earlier powering the Galaxy M30s and is rumored to be present on the Galaxy M31 as well. The benchmark site also shows that the phone received a single core score of 348 and a multi-core score of 1265. Moreover, the listing was uploaded on Friday, January 24th. A previous report mentioning the same m21F model number claimed that the Samsung Galaxy M21 would offer 64GB and 128GB storage options and come with a triple rear camera setup. These are the notable upgrades over the 32GB and 64GB storage options and the dual rear camera setup featured on the Samsung Galaxy M20. However, the latest benchmark listing doesn't provide any storage or camera details to corroborate what was rumored earlier. In addition to the Galaxy M21, Samsung is speculated to have the Galaxy M11 and Galaxy M31 as the new models in its next-generation Galaxy M series. A report last year also hinted at the Galaxy M41 that would sit alongside the other three new offerings. Samsung introduced its Galaxy M series phones in late January last year by bringing the Galaxy M10 and Galaxy M20 as its first models. This year, the company is likely to upgrade the existing models by launching the rumored offerings in the coming days. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.